Howdy viewers, I hope everybody's doing great out there pre-election day night. This is my DR650 and I'm just amazed that these things come from the factory. This is a 2020 model. These things come from the factory without a skid plate. What the? I went on YouTube and I noticed there's a bunch of aftermarket skid plates available. But I've owned dual-purpose machines. When I was a kid, we called them enduros. I've owned them my whole life. They always come with skid plates so you can bump over logs in case you bounce a rock up. Look at this thing. Absolutely no skid plate. Called Suzuki, where I purchased the motorcycle. Nope, doesn't come with a skid plate. Jeez, can't believe this. So I guess I'll have to install an aftermarket skid plate so that I can bump over those logs and in case a rock comes bouncing up. Silly, cutting corners. Even the Japs are cutting corners. Come on, get with it already. Put a skid plate on the daggone thing. Yeehaw!